Hello, it is Brendan the Builder. Today is December 7th, 2016. We're here with more progress. So you can see that they got the siding on and drywall is up. So, sorry for the noises. You can see that all the neighbors' houses have been built since we were here. There's the plans. So this is the entry. You have a linen closet, a full bath with a sink, shower, tub combo, linen closet. In there, it's a nice column. So that's another linen closet. And then here is the guest suite, and the guest closet. There's going to be a light fixture up there. I apologize for not making another video in a long time. It's just they've always been busy. See the arches? Here is the family room. Hi, Claire. The kitchen. You have the dining room. Here's just a view of the courtyard. See more siding. You have the den. And then this is just another look at the kitchen. The nice island with the sink. I think the refrigerator is going to go there. Pantry. This is going to be your laundry room, so your washer and dryer will be right there. I think there'll be a sink around here. Storage, mechanical room, and a garage.
Come over here.
Ah, sorry, Mom. Here is the alcove, and then this is the master bedroom. Get an entry. There's going to be a master closet in here. I know it's really dark. There's going to be 2 sinks, a shower around the corner here. I think I just stepped in something. A linen closet and toilet. And I'll take a quick look. She's got a covered porch. Doing phase 3 development back there. It's just the outer part of the house. And actually, take a quick look at the back. So, this has been Brendan the Builder with another look at building a house from the ground up. Subscribe for more videos, and peace. Hey!